After we had rescued Boudicea, the warrior queen, from her magical prison in Avalon, I suspected that someday we would hear from her again. Turns out that I was right. Driven by her desire for revenge against her former torturers, she is on the search for a pathway that could lead her to the deeper regions of the otherworld. We should find her again.
Help! Knights, help! A damsel is in distress. She is being ravaged by the undead. Come quickly!
Did you just call me a bloody damsel, Ludwin? I should have picked a better bed warmer than a perfumed troubadour. Welcome, knights. Don't be fooled by his cries. I can hack apart these corpses myself. But feel free to join in, if you like.
At your service, my lord.
You think I can't fight?
None can stand in my way.
Christ on the cross!
For honor!
What do you want? Blessings.
None can stand in my way.
Your command.
You think I can't fight?
The gods wanted us to meet again, knights. It's either a good omen, or I'm destined to die in good company. Oh, I tracked the sinners down one by one. I poured lead into their eyes, then listened to their pitiful cries before I burned them alive. There is one more left to punish. A champion of Oboricum. He ordered the rape and murder of my children when I turned him down as a suitor. A centurion of the 9th Legion from Oboricum. An evil man who reveled in death. No, he never ended up here. But I found out that he is trapped in their own underworld. This catacomb is teeming with the lost. I'm looking for an infamous priest and priestess from Oboricum who are among them. Avitus the Ancient One was able to fling open the gates of hell. Cornelia the Horn had the power to summon the dead. Ludwin will command them to open a gateway to their hell and drag the champion here. That Roman dog can't reject my call. The Romans of Aboricum impersonated the dead with an orator. Ludwin bears the same magical gift. He can control the priest's souls for a short time. Then I kill him and offer his soul to the gods. Not even hell can stop a grieving mother's wrath. Nothing is impossible with the will of iron and a few capable knights at my side. It's empty.
The inscription has been scraped off. There is no way of knowing what lies inside.
So, the dead don't take their belongings to the otherworld. Splendid.
Show us a sign, Lord.
It's empty.
Here lies in shame Nortius, youngest of the three Maximus brothers. He was disemboweled and hanged.
Thank you for saving me. I was condemned to stay in the sealed tomb, trapped between the world of the dead and the living. My two other brothers are also imprisoned here, sharing the same fate. Please set them free. Together again, we could break our shackles and pass on to the afterlife in peace. Help us, please.
Nothing here.
There is no way of knowing what lies inside.
Bones and dust. Let's kneel down and pray.
The inscription says, "Here lies the priestess Cornelia, a lecherous, evil wench sentenced to suffer for eternity."
Beware. Those flames can turn even bones to dust in the blink of an eye.
Those who wish to enter the underworld shall be consumed by fire. Take them, my children. Take them.
At your service, my lord.
So many offerings.
Sword or sorcery?
At your service, my lord.
Time to feed the ravens.
No mercy for the wicked.
Stop killing my children.
I could be of some help, I suppose.
So many offerings.
Your command. For the round table.
I can take them all.
No mercy for the wicked.
None can stand in my way.
I serve the Lord.
My children, bring me the heart of the mortal that I shall mark for death.
Your command.
None can stand in my way. For my Camelot.
Sinners shall bleed.
Which one should I take?
What do you want from me?
Your command.
Sword or sorcery?
Kneel before your king.
Your orders.
I serve the Lord.
I'm nothing without my children. Strike me down, free me from the shackles of this world.
Your orders?
Blessings. I could be of some help, I suppose.
Your orders?
Priestess Cornelia, by the sacred power of the orator, your soul is now bound to me. You shall find no rest until I let you go. Cornelia's soul is under my control now. When the time comes, she will drag Boudicca's nemesis here from hell. The priestess did unspeakable acts in her time, and she is forcing me to relive them. There is one way to find out, my friends.
Bones and dust. Nothing here.
Look there.
There is no way of knowing who or what lies inside.
The dead are becoming more restless.
What do you want?
What is your command?
Your command?
Kneel before your king.
I serve the Lord.
Time to feed the ravens. None can stand in my way.
For Camelot. At your service, my lord.
What's it gonna be?
Blessings.
For my Camelot.
Defend yourself.
The etching is too worn. There is no way of knowing who lies here.
You think I can't fight?
Your command.
What is your command?
For king and country.
None can stand in my way.
Charge! I fight for honor.
Fire and steel.
Sinners shall
Time to feed the ravens.
It's empty.
Here lies Tertius, oldest of the three Maximus brothers. He was flogged and crucified.
No words can express my gratitude. Thank you. Please find our third brother. Please.
The inscription is too worn. There is no way of knowing who lies here.
Rest and heal here. Here, I found.
The inscription has been scraped off. There is no way of knowing what lies inside.
I fight for honor.
Do you need any wise words?
For king and country.
None can stand in my way.
I serve the Lord.
Your command.
Christ on the cross.
Your head is mine.
Your command.
I could be of some help, I suppose.
Sinners shall.
I shall put this to good use.
Bones and dust. Nothing here. Nothing here. Bones and dust.
There is no way of knowing who.
It's empty.
Here lies Decimus, one of the 3 Maximus brothers. He was sewn in a sack and drowned in the river.
Freedom at last. The curse is finally undone. Come forth, my brothers. Come. Let's have one last feast before we cross the river of the dead. We have to pay the ferryman in blood. And these vessels will suffice.
At your service, my lord.
What do you want?
Fire and steel.
I could be of some help, I suppose.
For my Camelot.
What is your command?
You must be really desperate.
At your service, my lord.
I can take them all.
For king and country.
For my forefathers.
No mercy for the wicked.
I could be of some help, I suppose.
The gods shall be pleased.
This one says, "Here lies the priest Avatasulius, who pried open the gates of hell. May his wretched soul never find solace."
Mortals, how dare you disturb my slumber? Fools, now you have to face my undying guardians.
Your command.
I could be of some help, I suppose.
Blessings.
Kneel before you.
At your service, my lord.
You must be really desperate.
Time to feed the ravens. Prepare to die.
For honor.
Blessings.
guardians act like the four elements of nature, complementing and strengthening each other. You can't win unless you weaken them equally.
What's it gonna be?
For king and country. For Camelot. For Avalon.
Blessings.
Kneel before your king.
The mask comes off, and now you shall see me as I truly am. Even if I'm not a godly being, you still can't match my power.
We are Boudicea.
Do you need any wise words?
Your command.
None can stand in my way. Kneel before your king.
Fire and steel.
Do you need any wise words?
For king and country. For Avalon.
I serve the Lord.
For king and country.
What do you want?
What is your command?
I fight for honor.
Sinners shall bleed.
For king and country.
Sulius, by the sacred power of the orator, I command you to obey me. Your soul is not permitted to depart until I say so. The crimes that this Avitus did, I think I'm going to throw up. What have you gotten me into? I absorbed his soul. Now I can see everything. Avitus will do our bidding and open a gateway to hell. But he will use my body and voice. She saved my life. If this creature breaks free inside me, burn my body immediately.
I dreamt, and I saw nothing but blackness.
We have arrived at the place where the veil between other worlds stretches really thin. This is where the gateway to hell can be opened. Gods, heed my call. I'm Avatar Sulius, and I demand entrance to the underworld one last time.
Champion of the Ninth Legion. I'm the priestess Cornelia, shepherdess of the dead. By the blood on your hands, step forth and face your accuser.
By Hades, who dares drag me back to this world?
It's him. Now you shall pay for your sins, Roman dog.
Such bold words from a flimsy vessel made of ever-rising flesh and blood. What is your quarrel with me? Speak.
I am Boudicea, the warrior queen. You raped and killed my daughters in front of me. You entombed me alive to suffer forever.
I slaughtered nations in my time. You angry little barbarian wench. I fed infants to wolves for amusement. Why would I remember you?
I will listen to this no more. Gods, please grant me revenge.
What do you want?
For my forefathers.
Your orders?
For my Camelot.
Which one should I take?
Time to feed the ravens.
Your command. For the right.
Sword or sorcery?
Which one should I take?
Down with the vileness.
Your orders?
So many offerings.
What do you want from me?
I serve the Lord.
Your command. For the round table.
Kneel before your king.
What is your command?
None can stand in my way.
I could be of some help, I suppose.
Kneel before your king.
Blessings.
What's it gonna be?
Fire and steel.
At your service, my lord.
I can take them all.
Sinners shall bleed.
Time to feed the ravens.
Christ on the cross.
Your command.
You must be really desperate.
Sinners shall bleed.
I can take them all.
Blessings.
before the round table.
What is your command? Now back to hell with you, foul thing. My vengeance has been fulfilled. Restless souls, in the name of the old gods, I banish you all back to the other world. Be gone.
Are you all right, Boudicea?
I'm still breathing, Ludwin. Thank you for risking your life for me.
Saying no to a woman of your beauty was never one of my strong suits.
Stop your flattery before I punch you in the face, Ludwin. I'm practically hundreds of years old.
That makes you the best-looking hag I've ever seen. Hey, don't hit me.
Please accept my eternal gratitude, knights. Without you, I would still be lying under that spell, reliving the horrors over and over again. My people have turned to dust as I slept for centuries. I'm a queen without a crown, who has nothing to live for. Except perhaps for the compliments of that bloody troubadour. The same hollowness while treading this strange land you call Avalon. If you need me to fight for a cause, any cause, my sword is yours.